Half of all Australians have zero investments, not because they are poor, because they are paralyzed. Too many apps, too many fees, too much jargon. Today, that ends. I am giving you 5 apps, 5 personalities. You pick one, you download it. You are invested in 10 minutes. Let's go. Here is the roadmap. 5 apps, 5 beginner types. I will tell you exactly which one matches your personality. And at the end, I will show you the hidden fee trap that can wipe out your first year of profits. Do not skip that part. App 1. Spaceship. This is for the person who cares about where the world is going. Pick Universe for tech giants like Apple and Nvidia. Pick Earth for planet-friendly companies. Pick Origin for a simple, global index. No minimum investment. Just $3 a month if your balance is over $100. Under $100, it is free. Set up Auto Invest and literally forget it exists. App 2. CommSec Pocket. This is for the person who wants boring, reliable index funds. Only 7 ETFs. No clutter, no confusion. Australian shares, global shares, or sustainability. $50 minimum, $2 per trade, no monthly fee. Backed by Commonwealth Bank. If you want simplicity with a big bank behind it, this is yours. App 3. Stake. This is for the person who wants Apple, Nvidia, and Tesla. Zero brokerage on US trades. No monthly fee for the basic account. You pay a small foreign exchange fee when you convert your Aussie dollars to US dollars. And now Stake has ASX too, so you can hold Australian and US stocks in one place. No more juggling 2 apps. App 4. Sharesies. This is for the person who is scared of commitment. Start with $1. $1. Auto Invest is built in. You can buy Australian, US, and even New Zealand stocks. Low brokerage on US trades, typically around 0.5%. No monthly fee. If you just want to dip your toe in the water without drowning, start here. App 5. Raiz. This is for the person who will not invest unless it is automatic. Link your bank card. Every coffee, every grocery shop, every petrol fill-up rounds up to the nearest dollar. That spare change gets invested into a portfolio of ETFs. $5 minimum, $5.50 a month. You do nothing. The app does everything. Laziness is now a feature, not a bug. Here is the fee trap. On a $500 balance, Spaceship costs $3 a month. That is 7% per year before you earn anything. Raiz costs $5.50. That is 13%. The market averages 7 to 10%. So on small balances, these monthly fees eat your profits. They become great value once you pass $5,000. If you only have $50, CommSec Pocket is your cheapest path. If you have less than that, Sharesies has no minimum at all. That is it. 5 apps, 5 personalities. One goal: stop overthinking and start. Pick the app that sounds like you. Download it. Verify with your driver license and tax file number. Invest your first $5 or $50 today. If this video helped you, subscribe to Moo Wealth. I will see you in the next one. And remember, the market doesn't need to change. Our decisions do.